So, hello and welcome to this tutorial. All you're gonna need is a white pencil and 3 tones, like a light one, a mid one and a dark one. If you want to use mine, they're in the description. If you want to use yours, feel free to choose anything you like. Alright, first thing, you need to draw a circle. Bear in mind, it's not important that the circle is perfect. I'm using a coin because I think it's easier once you get like a perfect sphere because of the light and the perfect way it comes through, but that is totally up to you. Then grab your white pencil and your 3 tones and lay down roughly the first layer. This is just to get a general idea of the distribution of the colors. So be gentle and don't push on the paper yet, it's not the moment for that. I would suggest to always start from the lightest color and grab the black pencil later. So now, this part is quite important. I'm gonna give you a close-up look. So this is the second part of the blending. It's not gonna be the final step, but still it should give you a pretty good idea of what it's gonna look like. Blend the colors with circular, firm moves, but don't push too hard. As you go from lighter to darker, blend upwards. Now, thank God you have some room for mistakes, even if you don't think so. So if you screw it up a little bit, that's absolutely fine. Keep on blending until you get a good result. Now, a key point. Bear in mind that your observation is the most useful skill in this case. For time to time, just take a little break and take a look from a little distance and make little adjustments where you think they need it. Try as much as you can to enjoy the process. This is way easier than it looks, I guarantee you that. So just be patient and maybe try a couple of times. If the first one isn't perfect, that's absolutely fine. Personally, I like to keep the droplet a little lighter than it's supposed to be, you know, to emphasize the contrast, but that's 100% up to you. This is just a method I came up with, but I'm sure you can do even better. Now it's time to add a little bit of black pencil on top to really create the illusion of a shadow. Add a little bit of black, pressing very gently, and then blend with the dark blue. If after that you feel like it's not dark enough, just add some more black and repeat the process until you're fully satisfied with that. So, as you can see, I'm always making little adjustments here and there while I draw. I think it's best to do so than to get stuck on one path for too long. In fact, if you concentrate on one spot for too long, you're gonna just lose objectivity, I can guarantee you that. So it's now time to cast a shadow, and it's very easy with your black pencil. You can choose your very own angle, so draw the shadow as long as you want it to be. That is totally up to you. Feel free to use a blending stump to make it more smudgy, or your finger works fine. So yeah, just add a little highlight with gel pen and that's it. Like how to draw a colorful droplet in 4 minutes. I really hope this was useful to you. If it was, just leave a like and please consider subscribing to the channel. If you want some more, just ask. And thank you all very, very much.